Good morning, students. In this class, we will talk about your second chapter of cost accounting, elements of cost. And in this elements of cost, one important part is there, that is components of total cost. Today, we will discuss about components of total cost. Now, what is components of total cost? Here, on the basis of elements of cost, the different components of total cost can be summarized like this. First, we come to prime cost. Prime cost is when we add direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses, we get prime cost. It is also known as flat cost, first cost, or direct cost. Then we come to another cost, that is works cost, or we can also say factory cost. In prime cost we add factory overheads, so we get works cost. Now what are factory overheads? Factory overheads are also manufacturing overheads, factory on cost, factory indirect cost, and this works cost is also the another name of works cost is factory cost, manufacturing cost, or production cost. Now, in works cost, we add office overheads, office and administration overheads. So, when we add in works cost office overheads, we get cost of production. In cost of production, when we add opening stock of finished goods and deduct closing stock of finished goods, we get cost of goods sold or COGS. In COGS, when we add selling and distribution overheads, we get total cost. And in total cost, when we add profit, we get sales. So these are components of total cost. On the basis of that, I can give you example that if you are given many costs, then how are we going to differentiate between other costs? So suppose you are given fuel and power. So fuel and power is works overhead. It comes under works overhead. Then we come to shop foreman's wages. Shop foreman's wages is works overhead. Then we come to carriage outwards. Carriage outwards is a overhead which comes under selling and distribution overheads. Then we come to depreciation of plant. Depreciation of plant is used in factory, so it is part of factory overheads. Then we come to convertible material. Convertible material is part of prime cost. It is direct material, so it is part of prime cost. Productive labor. Productive labor is also part of prime cost. Direct labor and productive labor are similar. If we get non-productive labor, then it will come under works overheads or factory overheads. Carriage on raw material. Carriage on raw material is also part of prime cost. It is when we purchase raw material, then they come to factory, then this is part of your prime cost. Then we come to market research expenses. Market research expenses are selling overheads. Hospital and dispensary expenses. Hospital and dispensary expenses related to labor, and laborers work in factory, so they are part of works overheads or factory overheads. Then we come to holiday and leave pay of workers. This also relate to labor, so it is an indirect cost, so it also comes under works overhead. Then we come to donations. Donations are not part of cost accounting. They come under financial accounting. Then we come to office salaries. Office salaries are part of office overheads, administration overheads, establishment overheads where office work is done. Bank charges are also part of administrative overheads. Technical directors fees. Technical work is done in factory, so it is part of factory overheads. Drawing office expenses. Drawing office expenses is relate to drawing of maps, etc. So mapping is done in factory where design, etc. is made, where product is made, product design is made. So drawing office expenses relates to works overhead. Drawing of office expenses relates to works overhead. uh, travelers commission relates to sales overhead. Dividend paid is not part of our uh, uh, cost accounting. Works manager's salary is part of works overhead. Stores expenses is part of your works overhead. So cost of idle time is part of your works overhead. So I hope you have understood everything what we have discussed. Factory repairs is part of works overhead. Stores expenses, cost of idle time, they are all part of works overhead. So when you get any practical question, you should know about the type of overhead that come under each head. So I have already discussed about various examples that what comes under works overhead, what comes under office overheads, and what comes under selling overheads, what comes under distribution overheads, and what are parts of prime cost. So on the basis of that, we make cost sheet. Now cost sheet, uh, actually it is also known as cost of statement. It is made to find out the total cost and sales of a product. We have already discussed about the objectives of cost accounting. The objective, one of the main objective of the cost accounting is to ascertain the total cost of any product. So total cost of any product is ascertained by making cost sheet. When we write down number of units produced, and when total cost is divided by number of units produced, we get cost per unit. So first column we write direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, and in this we add, when we add all the three direct, that is direct expenses are also known as chargeable expenses, we get prime cost. And in prime cost we add works overheads. Works overheads, we have already discussed the examples. Two examples I have given in this slide: rent and rates and factory supervision. So when we add works overheads to prime cost, we get works cost. And when we add uh, administration overheads to works cost, administration overheads, I have given two examples, that is office stationery, rent and rates, advertisement, bank charges. They are all administration overheads or office overheads. And when we add to this, we get office cost, or we can also write down over here cost of production or cost of production. And when we add in cost of production, we get that is selling overheads, we get total cost. Okay, selling overheads I have given examples, that is advertisement, and distribution overheads example is warehouse rent. When we add all this, we get total cost, and in total cost, when we add profit, we get sales. So this is how we make cost sheet. I hope you understood the cost sheet. So this is how we make cost sheet. So that's all for today.